in your space and time, and I was in mine. The stars aligned. One road journey existing, it would seem, to lead your heart to mine. Written words, spoken thoughts, best of friends spinning our wheels. These are the cogs and gears that make us turn, spinning in the same direction, mine and yours. Hearts entwined, coming together in the wheel of life. Greyhound journey on the 66 line, you were just passing through. But there we sat, your hand in mine, making every minute count, not knowing what a world, growing time unfolding. These are the cogs and gears that make us turn, spinning in the same direction, mine and yours. Hearts entwined, coming together in the wheel of life. Roads unknown stretch far and wide, space between, we still align. Time marched on your journey unknown, and yet somehow you found your way. Like a compass-guided journey, pointing the way, you found your home. These are the cogs and gears that make